Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to build a completely free social media content calendar in Notion to plan all your posts in one place. First, open Notion and create a new database. Choose the table view to start. Name your first column Post Content. This is where you'll write the actual caption or idea for your post. Next, add a platform property. Use the select type and add options like Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and LinkedIn. You can assign multiple platforms to one post if you're cross-posting now. Add the most important property, publish date. Use the date type to schedule exactly when each post will go live. You can even set reminders. Create a status property to track your progress. Use options like idea, draft, ready to post, and published. For visual planning, switch to the calendar view. This will display all your scheduled posts on an actual calendar, making it easy to see your content flow. Finally, inside each post, you can upload the image or video asset directly into the page. Now everything is linked together. And that's it. You now have a powerful free content calendar to plan your social media strategy without any messy spreadsheets. If this saves you time, let me know your favorite platform to post on, and I'll see you in the next one.